Hello everybody, welcome back. Today we are making a Valentine's Day cake. So this is using yesterday's Valentine's Day candy pops, chocolate pops, chocolate lollipops, I'm not sure. But either way, this cake is covered in Valentine's Day candy. It's so pretty, it's so pink, and I mean, like, who would say no to this? Oh my goodness. So let's get started. Okay, so first we're going to make the decorations. You want to pour some melted pink candy melts into a heart-shaped chocolate mold. And so I used the cute little 8-bit heart mold from Rosanna Pansino's collaboration with Wilton, and that will be linked down below if you want to pick it up. And then pop the mold into the fridge to chill until it's ready to be used. And then we're also going to make some candy lips. So you want to get some red candy melts and any remaining pink candy melts that you have, because like it's not worth just wasting them. And pour them into a lip-shaped chocolate mold, which I will also try to find for you guys and link below. Then sprinkle some small sprinkles on top, and this is just going to make it so that the back of the lips are decorative as well as the front, so like no matter what angle you look at them, they're pretty. Then pop them into the fridge as well to chill. Then place some pink and white buttercream into piping bags fitted with large round piping tips, and then just slice the tops and bottoms off the cake layers and stack everything together on a rotating cake stand. So I'll have the base recipe for the buttercream and cake, which is vanilla cake, linked in the description box below as well as in the cards if you want to check it out. And then pipe alternating rings of pink and white buttercream between each layer so that when you slice it, it looks like little stripes. It's really cute. Then you want to pipe some horizontal stripes around the outside of the cake as well, and then spread some pink buttercream onto the top of the cake. We're just using one solid layer on top of the cake, or one solid color. It's so much easier. Just do that. Then use a cake spatula to smooth the sides, and again I'll link this below. And you want to make sure that you wipe the spatula clean after each time you smooth the icing, because since the buttercream is striped, if you run it against the cake again and the stripes aren't completely aligned with the buttercream that's on the spatula, it's just going to muddy up the entire surface of the cake and it won't create the clean lines. So just wipe it off with a paper towel every time you smooth it on the cake and you're good. Then just smooth the top of the cake as well. Then press some chunky Valentine's Day sprinkles around the bottom 3 inches of the cake. I use little heart-shaped ones, but you can use anything that you like. Then you want to get some of the remaining white buttercream and pop it into a piping bag fitted with a large star-shaped piping tip. This is a number 6B, and I will link it below. And you want to pipe large, tall dollops all over the top of the cake and smaller dollops around the bottom of the cake. So at the top, it just creates like a little nest to put all the decorations that we're going to put. And at the bottom, I feel like it just kind of finishes off the cake and looks a little more polished. Then sprinkle your final variety of Valentine's Day sprinkles, because we are using 3 different kinds of sprinkles here because I've accumulated so much. I'm trying to use them up before I move. So yes, just sprinkle them on top of the cake and then decorate it with some chocolate lollipops that I made in last week's video, which will be linked in the cards here and down below, as well as the chocolate lips that we made. Then you want to place the 8-bit hearts around the base of the cake, which I think is just adds the perfect touch, and you are done. So thank you so much for watching. I hope that you liked this video. If you have any requests for other Valentine's Day recipes, leave them in the comments down below, because we still have 2 more slots to fill. And yeah, if there's anything that you want to make and you don't know how, let me know and I can show you how to make it. So yeah, I love you guys so much, and I will see you on a Sunday for my weekly vlog. I can't say that properly. If you guys didn't know, I'm weekly vlogging now, and every Sunday. This week it was Tuesday, I'm so sorry. But yes, usually every Sunday a weekly vlog comes out and you can kind of see like the behind the scenes and see what my dog is doing and everything like that. So I would love to see you guys there. So yeah, I hope you guys are having a wonderful week so far. Bye! Ouch.